Welcome back in this Shopify Liquid tutorials. In this video, we're going to learn how to install Shopify CLI locally in our computer. So heads up to shopify.dev. Shopify, I can type .dev and click on documentation and click on themes. Create a theme using Liquid. So click here and on your left, click on quick start and click on create a theme. And once you are here, we're looking for requirements. So you have installed Shopify CLI, which we did not do yet. So click on Shopify CLI. And you're going to be redirected in this page here. You're going to be in this page here. So to be able to download Shopify CLI, we need to have some other tools installed inside our computer. So we need to have Node.js, okay, version 20.10 or higher. We need to have a Node.js package manager. So you can either have npm, yarn, or pnpm. In my case, I do have npm. And you need to install Git. Okay, so both of these tools have links already put for you here. You just can go follow like those links, and you're going to be redirect here, and you can follow along and download this tool if you do not have them yet. Okay, so I'm not going to do that because I'm already have this tool in my computer. So in order to install now Shopify CLI, we need to copy this command here, the first one. So I'm going to click on it, depending again on your package manager. If you want npm, this is the command. If you want yarn, this is the command. If you have homebrew, this is the command for homebrew, for those who have macOS. Okay, so I do have npm, so I'm gonna click on npm. Just copy here, open your terminal, so something like this, and you can paste it here. Click on enter, and it's going to install Shopify CLI in your computer. I'm already having this, so I'm just like doing that for you. Okay, so even if you already have Shopify CLI installed already, this command is going to upgrade it for you. Okay, so how to be sure, or how to check that we have successfully installed Shopify CLI in our local computer. So you can use this command, Shopify version, and it's going to give us the latest version of Shopify CLI. Alright guys, so Shopify CLI is installed. So the next step is to create a Shopify store, okay, where we're going to be practicing Liquid development. So thank you guys for following this video, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye.